Hi, I'm Jerry. I'm one of the pharmacists at Town & Country Compounding. At Town & Country Compounding, we receive lots of phone calls from patients who are interested in learning more about hormone therapy. We provide many options for helping you with your hormone therapy. Not only do we fill prescriptions, but we provide consultations as well. There's two ways of which we can provide a consultation. If you go to our website, which is www.tccompound.com, and follow the prompt for hormone therapy consultations, you will see a questionnaire that you can complete and that gets sent to one of our pharmacists. One of our pharmacists will then reach out to you and discuss possible hormone therapies. The other option is to do a home saliva test. You can purchase a saliva test from Town & Country. Once you take the test home, you will then fill up each of the test tubes inside with your own saliva, mail it back to the lab, and the lab will forward your results to us. Once we receive the results, we notify you that we have them, send you a copy, and schedule an appointment with one of our pharmacists. The pharmacist will then spend 15 minutes discussing possible hormone therapies for you, along with your symptoms and options that you can have.